naman nagiging maingay yung 30th anniversary celebration ng PhilHealth. Mukhang may update tayo. Are you going to scale down itong 138 million pesos na supposed to being gagastusin para sa pagdiwang po ng inyong 30th anniversary? Dr. Ish?
Well, yes, again, yun pong lumabas, just to say, is not yet approved, not yet final. Those are proposals, proposed activity for a year-long celebration, a nationwide celebration ng PhilHealth, not only for its employees but also for its stakeholders. Pero tama ka rin, Ms. Pat, na yes, we are re-evaluating the proposed activities at actually po ay hindi pa yan nakasama sa inaprubahan ng board because ang instruction po is for us to re-evaluate the proposed activities and provide another proposal. So sa ngayon po, upon re-evaluation ay ito, hindi pa ito official pero I think ang atin pong nabanggit din naman ito sa hearing kahapon sa Congress na I think yung current proposed activity and budget is around 48.5 million pesos.
Okay. At least considerably bumaba na. But kailangan year-long.
Oh, year-long.
Hindi naman 50th, 30th lang. Bakit kailangan year-long ang celebration, Dr. Ish?
Yun pong celebration is spread throughout the year. Kasi po, again, hindi lang po ito yung halimbawa, sinasabing party celebration, hindi po. But meron po ditong mga employers forum, hospital visitation for our patients. Meron pong mga ganun na activity as part of our anniversary celebration.
Night, may coffee table book.
Pero lahat pa lang yung plano. So, Dr. Ish, you are hopeful na if ever po talaga i-sign po ng President at zero budget po talagang mapupunta sa PhilHealth next year, you're hopeful na come 2026, hindi na kayo mazi-zero budget. Will you be able to, kasi sinasabi ng mga kongresista, yung ninyo, yung absorptive capacity to spend it. Hindi nyo po talaga nagagastos. Kayo po ay insurance company. Kayo po ay nag-i-invest na hindi dapat yung ginagawa po yun imbis na igastos. So, come 2025, for the budget for 2026, dapat po ba mabigyan na po kayo ng budget?
Well, this will actually serve as a challenge for the corporation to prove its existence and its relevance. So talaga pong kailangan magpakita gilas ng korporasyon ngayon with all our benefit expansion na ginagawa ay talagang kailangan maipa-implementa ito. Makapagbayad tayo ng mas mabilis sa ating mga healthcare providers, mabawasan ng ating pagkakautang para po by next year, during the budget deliberation and appropriation, ay baka po marireconsider na mabibigyan na po tayo ng subsidiya.
Let's get together, Sunnet 25, Sunnet 25.